Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a private server in Roblox. And here's what you need. You need a Roblox account and a Robux. So here are the step-by-step guide. All you need to do is to log in your Roblox account and go to the game that you want to create a private server for. And scroll down and find the servers tab. Then click the Create Private Server, then name your server and it's optional, and click Buy Now or Create if it's free. Then to customize your server, if after purchase, go to the menu and click the Create and click the Servers, and click the gear icon beside your server and choose Configure. Set who can join and share the link with others. And to join a private server, go to the gameplay and under the private servers, click join on your server. And that's how to create a private server in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.